Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is Rebecca. In this video, I will draw a brief conclusion of sales in the first half of 2021 and focus on our product researchers' predictions of the trends in the second half of this year. Let's take a look back at the 2021 retail market. Look at the report of Amazon. It's reported that Amazon generated total net sales of approximately $108.52 billion US, registering a year-on-year growth of 44%. We can also see from the chart that for 2 quarters in a row, Amazon's sales revenue hit $1 trillion. Then, what were the most popular product categories in the first half of 2021? Hot selling categories including garden and outdoors, food and beverages, and fitness supplies recorded an outstanding rise in sales in Q1 compared with Q4 in 2020. Walmart is also continuously attracting more consumers to shop online. On Prime Day, the total sales of Walmart's electronic products have soared by 62%, followed by car parts, whose sales have jumped by 36%, and furniture increased by 31%. Well, you may ask, what are your best-selling categories? Home and garden, kids' toys, health and beauty, tools, and musical instruments are our top-selling categories. This is consistent with the e-commerce market trend. In particular, home and garden, the main category on our site, accounts for as high as 60% of the total sales. Next, let's delve into the details. Home and garden. Home and garden keeps a considerate sales record all year round. The last 6 months have witnessed spikes in sales of seasonal products, such as patio furniture, sunshades, outdoor tents, and more. Kids' toys and products. Toys and kids' products rank the second on our platform, among which children benches and kids' vehicles perform well in sales volumes. Google Trends also shows that the popularity of kids' cars will grow steadily. Musical instruments. The market share of musical instruments has grown in recent years. The sales of products such as violins, guitars, and bass account for large shares of musical instruments. From Google Trends, we can know that the violin is very popular all year round. Health and beauty. As products in this category are sufficiently in stock, our data shows that the hair streamer has become one of the most selling products, and the peak season is between June and August, as well as November and December. Tools and equipment. The sales performance of tools is quite eye-catching. As global consumers stayed at home due to the lockdown in the pandemic, the sales of products such as bathroom scales, cleaners, iron fences continue to rise. So, have you taken advantage of these perfect opportunities? What are the best sellers in your online store? Please feel free to comment below. With regard to historical data of Amazon, categories such as home and garden, kitchen, and toys will maintain growth under the impact of the pandemic. Our previous sales indicate that sales in Q3 and Q4 were mostly contributed by categories such as home furnishing, children's toys, health and beauty, musical instruments, and tools. From this point of view, in the second half of 2021, sales of these categories will more likely to increase. Without exception, online retailers expect the arrival of the holiday season, which can bring spikes in sales. You probably can't wait to find a rise above the fierce competition in the rest of 2021. Next, let's focus on the predictions of the hot selling product categories and some specific SKUs on our website. Number 1. Holiday decorations. Holidays such as Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas bring huge demand for decoration products, thus contributing to the sales explosion of this category. Taking Christmas trees as an example, the keyword search volume peaks between September and November. Other decoration items such as Christmas wreaths, string lights, gift boxes, and others are also worth your attention. These are our recommendations. Number 2. Storage solutions. Storage solutions have always been at the top of our bestsellers list. From July to December last year, their sales volume reached 240,000. It's predicted that the sales will grow fast in the second half of 2021, especially for racks, storage cabinets, accessory storage, and luggage storage. Here are our recommendations. Number 3. Kids motor or table and chair. According to data from the P&D Group, sales of toys in the United States surged by 27% in Q1, reaching $1.5 billion in the first 4 months. More specifically, sales of plush toys grew the fastest, up by 44%. In addition, kids' motors, swimming pool toys, children's tents, and study tables and chairs have also become important categories of major e-commerce marketplaces. Here are the winning products for you. Number 4. Healthcare. From June to December last year, our sales of the health and beauty category exceeded $2 million. Notably, as people around the world pay more and more attention to healthcare in recent years, some rehabilitation products have become increasingly popular. It is recommended that you focus on selling products such as massage instruments, rehabilitation appliances, and anti-fatigue mats in the second half of 2021. Here are our recommendations. Number 5. Beauty care. Beauty and hairdressing equipment has always been popular among consumers worldwide. Relevant data shows that products such as nail products, beauty products, hairdressing equipment, and cosmetic storage racks will usher in a new round of hot sales soon. These are our recommendations. Number 6. Tools. Tools have a stable hot selling trend in the market. They generated considerable sales in the first half of the year, and the trend will reach its peak between November and December. Subcategories such as hand tools, mechanical hardware, welding heating tools, tool cart cabinets, kitchen scales, and bathroom scales are particularly prominent. You can also refer to our recommended products. In addition to the products mentioned above, many trending products will sell like hotcakes on our platform. Please stay tuned with us to find all hot niches. That's all for today. Hope these recommendations are useful for your market insights and business growth. If you like our video, please like us and hit the subscribe button below. Turn on the notification bell and get the latest news from us. What kind of topics are you looking for in our next video? Leave us comments below and we will select some hot topics to talk about in the near future. Thanks for your support. See you next time.